my name is Mizana. Do you want your child to be more creative and at the same time have fun painting and drawing? If you do, this is the right place for you. I am now offering a 3-month online art course for your child. I will teach your child step by step how to draw and paint and how to brainstorm and design. There will be 6 projects in the course. You can check out the projects below. Each project is fun with different objectives. The material that I use varies. That means your child will find them very interesting. Your child will get to learn how to use acrylic, watercolor, oil pastel, and even learn how to use a piping bag to draw. That sounds fun, doesn't it? But that's not all. Your child will also get a certificate after the 3 months course. You will need to submit your child's work to me, and I will give you comments. And you or your child can get to ask me questions in a closed Facebook group. You can even get your child to take videos presenting the artworks and show me and everyone in the group. That sounds a lot of fun by just thinking about it. Well, all you need is a computer or a tablet or a phone and internet. And of course, you also need the painting materials because this is a hands-on art course. The children will need to do the projects themselves, not just watch me do them. Well, check out the demos and try out the first project. I'll see you in the lesson.